and they fall into this category, then I'm good. But if my employees is my neighbor, my second cousin, right? If it's a friend, if it's just somebody I hired, then I'm not eligible for the home business add-on. I must get at least the essentials plan. Now I put here, remember not to note that these members aren't covered on the plan, of course. It's just that that's what is allowing me as eligibility to buy it if I have employees and they fall in this category. I'm trying to make this as easy as possible here. Johnny, are we getting thumbs up?
We're getting thumbs up, but there's a couple of things that people are stuck on, and I understand why they're stuck, but they're not thinking big enough yet. So they're saying, why are we no longer allowing them to have a big brick and mortar business? Why does it have to be home based?
Because we don't want to be Blockbuster. Okay. Because